26. Gautam Buddha gave the maximum sermons at which place? A. Vaishali. B. Shravasti. C. Kaushambi. D. Rajgrai. Ans. B. 27. Which philosophy accepts Triratna? A. Buddhism. B. Nyaya philosophy. C. Yoga philosophy. D. Jainism. A. None of these. Ans. A. 28. What does Triratna means in Buddhism? A. Tripitaka. B. Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha. C. Shil, Samadhi, Sangha. D. Satya, Ahimsa, Karuna. Ans. B. 29. Buddha had visited Kaushambi during the reign of A. Satanika. B. Udayana. C. Bodhi. D. Nekashu. Ans. B. 30. First Buddhist conference after the death of Buddha was presided over by A. Mahakashyapa. B. Dharmasen. C. Ajatshatru. D. Nagasen. Ans. A. 31. Who among the following conducted the first Buddhist Council? A. Ananda. B. Mahakspa. C. Moggaliputta Tissa. D. Upali. Ans. B. 32. Saptaparni cave is situated in A. Sanchi. B. Nalanda. C. Rajgrai. D. Pavapuri. Ans. C. 33. Who among the following presided over the Buddhist council held during the reign of Kanishka at Kashmir? A. Parshava. B. Nagarjuna. C. Sudraka. D. Vasumitra. Ans. D. 34. Which of the following rulers convened the Fourth Buddhist Council in Kashmir? A. Ashoka. B. Ajatshatru. C. Kanishka. D. Kalashoka. A. None of the above, more than one of the above. Ans. C. 35. Mahayana sect and Buddhism emerged during the reign of A. Ajatshatru. B. Ashoka. C. Dharmapal. D. Kanishka. Ans. D. 36. A Buddhist council during the reign of Kanishka was held at A. Magadha. B. Pataliputra. C. Kashmir. D. Rajgrai. Ans. C. 37. The Fourth Buddhist Council was held in Kashmir during the reign of which king? A. Ashoka. B. Kalasoka. C. Kanishka. D. Ajatshatru. Ans. C. Artis. The Fourth Buddhist Council was held during the reign of A. Kanishka. B. Ashoka. C. Harshvardhana. D. Menandar. Ans. A. 39. Four Buddhist councils were held in the following places. Arrange them in chronological order by using the code given below. 1. Vaishali 2. Rajgrai 3. Kundalavana 4. Pataliputra code. A. 1, 2, 3, 4. B. 4, 3, 2, 1. C. 2, 1, 3, 4. D. 2, 1, 4, 3. Ans. D. 40. Second Buddhist Council was held at which place? A. Rajgrai. B. Vaishali. C. Pataliputra. D. Kashi, Varanasi. Ans. B. 41. Where was the Third Buddhist Council held? A. Taxila. B. Sarnath. C. Bodh Gaya. D. Pataliputra. Ans. D. 42. The First Buddhist Council was held during the reign of A. Anirudh. B. Ajatshatru. C. Bimbisara. D. Udayabhadra. Ans. B. 43. The First Buddhist Council was held in which of the following cities? A. Nalanda. B. Gaya. C. Rajgir. D. Bodh Gaya. Ans. C. 44. Second Buddhist Council was organized by A. Ajatashatru. B. Kalasoka. C. Ananda. D. Ashoka. Ans. B. 45. Four important events of Buddha's life and thereby related four places are mentioned below. Match Schedule I and Schedule 2 and select correct answer from the codes given below. Schedule I. Schedule 2A. Birth 1. Sarnath. B. Enlightenment 2. Bodh Gaya. C. First Preaching 3. Lumbini. D. Death 4. Kushinagar code. A B C C D. A. 1 2 4 3. B. 2 3 1 4. C. 3 2 1 4. D. None of the above. Ans. C. 46. Which event of Buddha's life is represented by the wheel with deer in Indian art? A. Great Departure. B. Enlightenment. C. First Preaching. D. Nirvana. Ans. C. 47. Match list I. Sign with list I. Meaning. And select the correct answer using the codes given below. List I. Sign. List. Do. Meaning. A. Birth 1. Bodhi tree B. First sermon 2. Dharma chakra C. Enlightenment 3. Horse D. Great departure 4. Lotus code. A B C C D. A. 1 2 3 4. B. 4 3 2 1. C. 3 4 1 2. D. 4 2 1 3. Ans. D. 48. Karmapa Lama belongs to which of the following sects of Tibetan Buddhism? A. Gelugpa. B. Kangyapa. C. Sakyapa. D. Lingamapa. Ans. B. 49. Which of the following statements are correct about Lord Buddha? 1. He was born in Kapilvastu 2. He attained enlightenment at Bodh Gaya 3. He discarded the Vedic religion 4. He preached noble truths. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 and 2. B. 1 and 3. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Ans. D. 50. Mahabodhi temple has been built at Bodh Gaya where? A. Gautam Buddha was born. B. Gautam Buddha received enlightenment. C. Gautam Buddha gave his first sermon. D. Gautam Buddha passed away. Ans. B.